The new car. Today, Peppa and her family are going to drive in the red car. Shall we have the roof down? Yes, please. Peppa and George love their car. Is everybody ready? Ready! Then let's go. Beep beep. It's your loves car, and our car loves us too. Don't you? Beep beep. Oh dear, the car does not shout very well. What's wrong, Daddy? I don't know. Let's take it to the granddad's garage. He can fix it. Good idea, Mommy Pig. Granddad dog drives the car. He's very good at making cars. Beep, beep. Oh dear, Daddy Pig, your car does not sound very well. Can you fix it? Granddad dog. Yes, but it will take all day. Oh. We wanted to go for a drive in the car. Don't worry, you can borrow his new car where I will be used. Hooray! Thank you, Granddad Dog. Would you like the roof down? Yes, please. I just pressed it on the what a caliber car. Wow! When you come back, I will have fixed your car. Thank you, Granddad Dog. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Peppa and her family like the new blue cars. There's so many buttons in this car. What's the ring do, Daddy? Let's see. Magic windows. Daddy, make the magic windows to go down. What does the blue button do? I don't know. Let's see. Ring. Oh, it's a lovely car. Can we keep it? No, we can't keep it. Peppa, we are only borrowing it for today. Oh no! I think it's going to rain. Yes, I'll put your roof up. Now is the button to close the roof. Oops! Silly me, aha! This is the button. Oh, new car has quite a daddy bag. Is water. Silly, that's not a roof. This button. Oops! Not the one. This button. That big is burger push button close the roof. I don't think this car like me. Let's try the red button. Hooray! But now it stopped raining. Can we open the roof again? Yes, which button was this? The correct red one. Hooray! Beep beep. Rain a jog and fails the car. Your car is fastest. Hooray! Thank you, Rain that dog. Keep the change. Thank you, Daddy Pig. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. Bye bye. Oh, it's good to get our old car back again. I like the new car, but I like on car new better in this old car like us too. Don't you? Beep beep.